an endless dance, a beating machine, a rhythm by chance, automatic, unique, flawless in flow. System 51, innovation on show. What is the System 51? A revolution, a mechanical watch with no complication. No battery, no wires, it runs on its own. A rotor in motion, time fully grown. 51 parts, a single axis in line. Sealed, perfected, maintenance decline. Automatic, effortless, a movement that still impresses. What is the System 51? A tick-tock so grand, a watch that dances right in your hand. No need for a battery, no need for a stop. A rotor in motion, it spins non-stop. 90 hours, an immense reserve. Set it down, pick it up, it keeps its nerve. Sealed, protected, no need to repair. Let it live, it will follow you there. A hypnotic dial, a case so clear. Time turns to art, a masterpiece near. No screws, no need to adjust. A perfect machine, a movement robust. A swirl of cogs, a breath so bright. System 51, watchmaking infinite. What is the System 51? A tick-tock so grand, a watch that dances right in your hand. No need for a battery, no need for a stop. A rotor in motion, it spins non-stop. So wear it proud, feel its beat. Swatch changes time with the rhythm so neat. What is this fusion, this infinite spree? It's the System 51, a watch that's alive.